I farm with my son Kevin on Broadgate Farm. This farm has been my great-grandfather's, my grandfather's, my father's, and now it's down to me, and then it'll be going on to my son. Some of the fields, we sort of manage them for ground nesting birds. The birds have never disappeared. I mean, what they're trying to do here, I mean here there's oyster catchers have appeared in the last sort of 20, 30 years, never had those before. They've come further out. But East North Pennines AONB partnership have been helping with the land management in the Allen Valleys. Various things like hedgerow planting and trees, and with us it was the rushes we needed help with. Now the first year I just cut them, which sort of thins them out and reduces them, but they still come away again. And the second year we weed wiped. The rushes are important for birds like snipe that like to nest in them, but they don't like great big beds of rushes. They like individual clumps of rushes that are surrounded by grass, really. The North Pennines especially, it always was an oasis for the lapwings and the curlews and the snipe, redshank, and it was just traditional farming methods that kept them here. Just get the balance. It's like everything to do with farming and the countryside. It's a balance of everything.